Welcome again to another episode of the Juices Corner. Oh, today I'm so pumped and excited to be your one and only host for the show today. Now, in today's, we are going to talk about an important product. It's new in the market. It's been over like 6 months now in the market, and this product has been making waves from the United States to Nigeria and all over the world. Guys, if this is the first time coming to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. I remain your one and only King Onesmus, founder of Juicy Enterprise. And of course, I'm here to give you the juice and everything you need to know about this product. And this product we are going to review today is called the Multipurpose Sports Board, or some people call it the Pilates board, as it is known in the US, and those of you who buy from TikTok shop. To celebrate with you guys again, like last time, my second born is 6 months old, and of course, congratulations to me. And of course, today, this video is dedicated to her as we celebrate her 6 month birthday. So guys, this particular Pilates board or multifunctional sports board can help you to do sports from your abdo, and you're going to work also your arms. For those of you who have elephant arms, like we used to call it, you want to work your biceps or triceps, is good. Why is this particular sports board better? Because it has an easy bounce rate, and you can easily go in front and come back easily with the board, unlike when you're using, let's say, your roller, which you can easily fall, or you're using your normal, the updated version of the abdominal roller, which if you don't balance you can actually fall or you can slip. This one actually gives you a safe distance in which you can go and stretch the abdominal muscles and you come back. Now, this board is also infused with some places where you can put your hands grip to do your pumping, to work your biceps. And to use this board, all you need to do is purchase your board from us, Juicy Enterprise. You can purchase from our website, and when you purchase the board, you put it on a surface that is a little bit rough. You can use maybe, let's say, your floor mat, or you can use maybe your raw or your wool carpet and put it on it, and you exercise. Now, this particular board is actually very effective and efficient. Now, it's like a 4-in-1 board, and it is easily foldable, which you can put inside the carton bag or maybe put under your bed. It is very easy to use. Now, this board comes with this thick mat. As thick as this mat is, look at how the thickness is. Very soft, where you put your knees when you're rolling, doing the abs rollout with this particular board, multifunctional sports board. Now, it comes with this timer. This timer, you start and you stop here, and this is your minutes, seconds. Now, this one regulates the amount of time you have spent working out on this particular board, which is very important because you time out the number of times you've used to work out. And of course, the sports sessions here are very, very, very easy to do. So it comes in a carton like this, unmounted. You will see it like this, all right? And this is where you do your, see, for your abdo. Now, what you have to do, the first thing you have to do when you get the board is to mount it. So you place it like this on the surface I told you, maybe your wool carpet, or maybe your carpet in your parlor, or maybe if you have your sport carpet, you can actually put it on it. When you put it like this, it stays like this. Then now the next thing is to put these grips there on, and that is it. So you do same for this side. You are going to see these particular patches here. These ones, there are 4 of them. So each of them go on every side like this. This goes here, let's say here, yeah, and this goes here, and this goes here, and here. So you peel off this surface like I'm doing in this video. You peel off this, all right, and you stick properly to this place here. Same you do for this. Make sure you're putting the right thing at the right side, the right patch. You peel off this to reveal this sticky surface, and then you put here. Now these ones are for your elbow rests. And this one is to block this particular place. You put it here to block this place so that this stuff can go freely here. Now, these ones are for you, those who want to work your grip. You just press here, inside here, and you attach to these places. Good. You attach like this, and the same. This ones, you put your legs on the stepper and you pull. All right. These are resistance bands. And I think these ones are not the normal resistance bands. This one are actually good and efficient, and they are durable. See, they stretch, right? And the tension within them is actually much. Now, these ones are for your press ups. Put them like this, or like this, or like this. Those are the ways of targeting this. Then you do your press ups. But when you're doing press ups, make sure you detach this particular handle from here to do your press ups. Now, this is mounting this part of the machine. So I'm going to take off these ones. All right. And turn the machine to this way. This machine comes with these things. With this, the same things that you did before, these spaces need to be filled, right? So you just peel and you fill inside. This one, they help the machine to adhere more to the surface, right? The same thing you do here. Done mounting, the next thing is to be ready to get do your exercises. So we have a different coach for that session, and he's going to put you through the A to Z on how to use and properly use your multifunctional sports board. If you have watched this particular level, don't forget to like this video and tell me congratulations once more. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to watch the video till the end. So we begin with our abs, as this particular training is in different levels from the normal to the advanced. Now, these particular abdominal exercises target mostly primarily the abs, but has lower impact on the biceps and the tricep muscles. That is muscles of your arms. So those of you who are suffering from, you have elephant arms, for the women is good. For the men who want to tone up their arms, it is actually good. Now, these advanced abs, it's not for everybody, but if you feel like you can do it, you do it. You can see with this one, the abdominal muscles is actually properly stretched and it contrasts relatively, giving you more results. Now, the difference between this one and the normal abdominal roller is that this one gives you a safe space of extension, unlike the abdominal roller, which you can actually roll to a certain extent and injure maybe your ribs or maybe your abdominal muscles. All right. Now, this one is also advanced, as you can see. These exercises are not easy. If you can actually do, let's say, 10 sets of each and you rest, 10 sets of each and you rest, you are going to do full body workout. Now, this particular exercise that he's doing now targets the glutes 50% and the abs 50%. Not all exercises target the same body organ or muscles, the same muscles relatively. Some target more of a particular muscles than the other, while some, like in some cases, 50-50. So you should know the reason why you're doing sports. And as you can see, my guy is sweating to tell you it's not actually easy. All right. Now, this one is for my fathers in the house. Those of you who want to be good in the other room, this is Kegel exercises for you guys. So with your Pilates board, you are getting more than what you actually paid for. Now, this is the push-ups that you all know. And generally, push-ups target the biceps or the triceps, depending on how you are relating, where you are putting much of the body weight on. If you're putting much of the body weight behind your hand, you're going to get more of the results of triceps. Or if you're putting it in front of your arm, you're going to get more of biceps. As you can see, it went from the normal one that everybody can do to the difficult ones. Guys, if you've watched this particular point of this video, this is where you show us love by liking our video, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and let us know where you're watching us from, as we have more of these intriguing videos, not only for sports products, we also have for household gadgets and others that you watch and see. And most of the sports and exercises you're seeing here, you might have not seen it anywhere else except this place. We decided to do it so that you can get your own board and start fine tuning your muscles the best way possible in the comfort of your home. And of course, please, guys, it's better for you to get the sports mat so that you can put your board on it and exercise easily in case if you are living in a house where you have a tiled or a very smooth floor. You can actually use carton or whatever if you're in Africa, but it's good to use a sports mat. All right. This particular exercise is peculiar for those boxing. You know, you do this more. As you are trying to turn the other side, you're exerting more pressure on one arm, so giving more force. And as you can see, he is doing it. Now, this next one also works for the arm. The difference between this particular rope of this our multi-purpose or multifunctional sports board is that it has high tensile strength. No matter how strong you are, you feel it. And now the thing here is not for you to pull it as if you're pulling down the walls of Jericho. It's for you to pull it gradually until you feel your muscles contracting or relaxing. And this is the last part of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment. And we believe that after watching this video, you are convinced that you are going to purchase this and it's going to serve you more and more. Thank you guys for watching. And of course, see you in the next episode of our videos as we are going to show you the different sports you can do with your stepper and morning workouts, calories burned out with your stepper in your house. Ciao and bye.